Welcome to 200forexpips.com. Let's talk about the final analysis of 10th of May 2018. Okay guys, it was a very successful day with trading. I'm going to take you towards the signals report so that we can discuss today's analysis. Okay, so this is the signal report that is sent to the subscribers in the morning. Euro USD with a bullish expectation from my side. 118697 was the entry, and you can see a very clear upward trend right from the entry. It was into the bearish zone from some days, but today I was turned from bearish to bullish, and I was expecting the targeted price up to 119171. And guys, within the same hour the market has hit the targeted price, and you can see the result on the screen. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. It was also a very difficult signal to give in the morning, but however I have provided the bullish signal in case of New Zealand USD. 069148 was the entry, and you know that yesterday first of all we have taken the benefit from the downfall on New Zealand USD, and today I turned into bullish from the entry 069148, and you can see a significant upward trend right from the entry, and the market has already hit the targeted price 069573. So guys, those subscribers who have just taken the trade on the first two signals, they should be in very good profits because the signals were quite easy to understand as per the trading method. Okay, now let's talk about another very easy signal of the day was USD JPY. I have supplied a clear bearish trend from 108783, and you can see right from the entry it has first of all taken a smaller U-turn, and then we have seen a very good drop on that pair, and that was very devastating for the pair. 109407 was hit in no time. Within like 3 to 4 hours the market hit the targeted price. So guys, it was making the bullish pattern from some days, and I was not expecting a further upward momentum, and today I changed my mind into bearish, and with the grace of God we have already hit that signal in a perfect way. Okay, now let's talk about another signal that's hit perfectly fine because this has gone quite massive. And now let's talk about USD CHF. 100447 was the bearish entry from my side, and you can see right from the entry it has made the bearish pattern, and the targeted price was 100209, and it clearly hit that level, so it's a bit disturbed from my side. Okay, so that's somewhere, and even if you look at here, it has even went outside the barriers of the targeted price. So this is a massive downfall, and this massive downfall was already predicted by 200forexpips.com right in the morning. So those subscribers who have taken this trade as per the 200 Forex Pips recommendation, they must have caught heavy profits on trading this pair. Okay, now let's talk about another pair that was weak. Expected in the morning was USD Canadian dollar. 128286 was the entry, and we were expecting the market to be down, and the targeted price was 128015, and it was hit within some time because the gap was not very much high from my side. I was not expecting a very much downward trend on this pair, so that I have kept my my gap in between the entry and the targeted price quite low. But however, if you have traded the 3 hours on USD Canadian dollar, hopefully you must have got good profits on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain pound JPY. So guys, it has received the rejection at the moment. So whenever I have given the signal in the morning, the entry was bullish 149029, and the market started to go bullish from that area, and it went up to 149280, but later on it was going bearish, and we have traded this thing in during the London session. And one more thing of exiting from the trade is very simple, because on the higher time frames, if you look at here, the market was getting a reversal from the oversold level, but still the things were confusing because look at this candle. This candle is a clear message that the market is getting the rejection from the top, because if you look at the previous trend, then you will find Great Britain pound JPY price was strongly bullish, and there were less chances for the pair to go further up, but there were more chances to be down. And today my signal was quite bullish on this pair, but however the signal went against in the next hour, and it has gone another side. Okay, now let's talk about the Euro JPY, which is still a satisfied signal. It's leaning on that level. I have provided the bullish entry in case of Euro JPY, and 130301 was the entry, and you can see that right now it's leaning on the entry, and it has went a couple of times up, and it has tested up to 130548. So guys, just note down the signal. If it stays above 130301, then Euro JPY is in a bullish zone. I'm just going to switch my charts to the higher time frames. Now look at here. This is the daily chart. Now after the downward trend, we have closed Euro JPY in a bullish way, and look at the next candle. It looks like that the half of the candle is already completed, and it looks like that it will gain a further bullish pressure. That's why we have to turn bullish on Euro JPY. So guys, if it stays above 130301, then the targeted price can be 130949. So it will be into a bullish zone if it stays above the level, and anything below this can take the pair down. Okay, now let's talk about another satisfied pair of the day, which is AUD JPY. A bullish signal was provided from 81975, and the target price was 82300, and with the grace of God we have hit this signal 2 times today. The one time it hit the signal during the morning, and then we have seen a slight drop, and again it made the bearish pattern, and the signal was hit twice. And I'm not sure that how traders have traded this pair, but overall if you have traded 1 time, 2 times, and both of the times the pair was in a very good momentum into the upward trend. Okay guys, more about the trading system. Those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain. Sell the pair into the top red boundary, like we have seen a drop from the top blue or red levels, and when the market came into the lower red levels, then you can buy the pair, and you can see that from the lower red levels the market started to get a bounce, and it went at the top, and then when it went at the top, it has received the downward trend, and simply when it goes down, like you can see that it has already pumped up from the red boundary. So maybe this could be the next trend of bullish on USD CHF. So guys, this is how we use the trading system, and that's all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.